everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about quick nutritional fixes for men over 40, a critical time to boost your health and vitality. So if you're looking to boost your energy, build strength, or even just stay on top of your game, this video is for you. First, let's talk about why nutrition is so important once you hit your 40s. As we age, our metabolism naturally slows down, and our bodies don't absorb nutrients quite as effectively. Plus, muscle mass starts to decline around this age, which means that eating right isn't just about looking good. It's about staying healthy and keeping your body strong. Nutritional fix. 1. Prioritize protein. So, why is protein so important for men over 40? As we age, our muscle mass naturally declines, a process known as sarcopenia. Losing muscle doesn't just affect your appearance, it impacts your strength, mobility, and even your metabolism. By the time men hit their 40s, muscle loss can start to accelerate, making protein an essential nutrient to combat this. For a quick fix, try adding a protein shake or Greek yogurt as a snack. Also, remember to space out your protein intake throughout the day. Research shows this approach helps maintain muscle and manage hunger better than loading up on protein in one meal. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2015 found that protein intake played a significant role in preserving muscle mass in middle-aged and older adults. Researchers followed more than 2,900 men and women over a 3-year period and discovered that those who consumed higher amounts of protein maintained more muscle mass compared to those who consumed less. Food high in proteins include quality sources like lean meats, eggs, and fish. Almonds, lentils, and Ezekiel bread. Ezekiel bread is different from most other breads. It's made of organic and sprouted whole grains and legumes, including millet, barley, spelt, wheat, soybeans, and lentils. Nutritional. Fix 2. Omega-3s and health fats for heart and brain. Health omega-3 fatty acids. These are great for heart and brain health, especially for men over 40. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, walnuts, and flax seeds are some of the best sources of omega-3. Healthy fats are also a must for heart health and health brain. Healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Coconut oil can support that. These fats help with hormone regulation, reduce inflammation, and are great for your brain as well. A major study in 2016 published in JAMA Cardiology found that omega-3s significantly reduce the risk of heart disease in adults over 45. They're also essential for brain function, supporting memory, and reducing age-related mental decline. Try to aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week, or talk to your doctor about a supplement. Nutritional fix. 3. Fiber for digestion, health, and cholesterol control. As we get older, digestion can slow down, and fiber is your best friend to keep things moving smoothly. Foods high in fiber like vegetables, fruits, and whole grains are ideal. A study published in 2019 in The Lancet found that high fiber intake is linked to lower cholesterol and a reduced risk of heart disease. Fiber also helps regulate blood sugar, which is important for energy and overall metabolic health. Try adding berries to your breakfast. Other good sources of fiber include oats, beans, and apples. Switch out white bread for whole grain options. It's an easy switch that helps with both digestion and keeping cholesterol in check. Nutritional fix. 4. Magnesium for energy and muscle health. This essential mineral plays a huge role in energy production, muscle function, and even heart health. A 2012 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that men with higher magnesium intake had better muscle function and lower rates of inflammation. Foods high in magnesium like spinach, kale, avocados, nuts, and seeds like flax, pumpkin, and chia seed, and even a bit of dark chocolate. Nutritional fix. 5. Vitamin D for bone health and immune support. Now let's talk about vitamin D. As we age, our ability to absorb vitamin D decreases, but we need it for bone health, muscle strength, and immune function. A 2018 study in the Journal of Gerontology linked vitamin D deficiency with muscle weakness and higher fall risks in men over 50. Vitamin D is known as the sunshine vitamin since sunlight exposure triggers vitamin D production. Make sure you're getting enough from sources like eggs, leafy greens, and add shiitake mushrooms to help you boost your levels, especially in the winter months. If you live in an area with limited sunlight or aren't getting enough through food, consider a supplement. Just a heads up to check with your doctor before starting any new supplements. Nutritional Fix 6. Antioxidants for cellular health and inflammation reduction. Finally, let's talk antioxidants. They help combat oxidative stress, which increases with age and can lead to chronic illnesses. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2020 shows that diets high in antioxidants help reduce inflammation and protect cells. Berries, leafy greens, and nuts are excellent sources. Incorporating a serving or two of berries, leafy greens, and nuts into your daily diet can go a long way in keeping you feeling young and healthy. To recap, here are 4 quick nutritional fixes. Prioritize protein, add healthy fats, up your fiber intake, and make sure you're getting enough vitamin D and calcium. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below with any other health tips or questions you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.